Hey, I heard you guys got a pizza challenge in here. Today we're over here in Salem, Oregon on Commercial Street. We're outside at Crazy Dough Pizza because what they got in there is a crazy pizza challenge. So this thing is massive, it's huge, it's a 28-inch pizza. Unsure of the weights, but there is 40 ounces of dough on this pot. So this is a newer challenge. Only a few people have attempted to eat this thing and they've all gone down in flames. They have not been good enough to eat the entire Crazy Dough Pizza. So I'm absolutely starving. I've not done a food challenge in a while, so we'll see how it goes. Time to go to work, old buddy. My first time being here at Crazy Dough Pizza. It smells great in there. It's a big, nice open space. Definitely got some good garlic smells, some good pizza smells. Today we're gonna get a pepperoni and a double cheese pizza going on the gigantic 28-inch platter. So should be a good time, but let's get inside Crazy Dough Pizza and see what they got for the challenge. All right, here's the pizza. The gigantic 28-inch pizza over here at Crazy Dough. So going over the rules, you get a 35-minute time limit. I thought it was 20, so extra 15, not bad. Can't get up from the table, you gotta eat it with your mouth. If you win, you're getting $50 along with the jackpot, which is today gonna be 60 bucks. Along with that, you get a delicious pepperoni pizza with double cheese in this challenge, and a very good time. This is my first time over here at Crazy Dough, like I was saying, and they obviously got a massive pizza to try out. We also got some of this good old marinara, and you know, I'm sure some of you guys out there like the ranch. No winners. I'm gonna be the first winner on this pizza, I guarantee you. So glad to be down here today. Very nice people over here at Crazy Dough. They definitely know what they're doing. Let me just show you one of these slices real quick before we get going. Oh my God. I'd risk not being able to fit in my clothes anymore for that.
3, 2, 1.
Pizza.
You have to eat this pizza with your mouth or you are failing this pizza challenge. I may have just made up that rule. If you do fail, you are going to be putting $10 into the jackpot, and then you will not be getting your $50 back that you pay for the pizza. They had one person come in that they kind of let slide on the whole putting the $10 in, but another person came into this place and just straight up failed this pizza challenge. Honestly, not a bad size pizza for your first food challenge if you have not done one.
People in Salem love pizza. Yeah, seriously, this pizza's awesome. Oh yeah. You got the pizza pretzel.
Straight up hysteria over here at the Crazy Dough in Salem. Not only is this a solo challenge, but you can take it on with two people. There were actually a couple guys waiting to double team this pizza. The only thing with the team challenge is that you get 15 minutes to take down the entire pizza, so better eat up quick.
Yeah, this pizza is good. Nice and thin, good flavors to it. Garlicky. Yeah, this is a nice pizza challenge. We did a good job. Yeah. I'm gonna eat your leftovers.
And I would have eaten them too. That's how much I'm enjoying this Crazy Dough pizza. The only thing that I can complain about is I think they left it just single cheese, not double cheese, like I was asking. All good though, excellent flavors, nice textured dough, pepperonis cooked to perfection. I seriously could have eaten a calzone or add a little something in there extra.
I have never seen that big. That's a first.
Yep. Not too big though.
Not too big. You see bigger?
Yeah, about 8 minutes in here, going good so far. Definitely got some awesome pizza over here for sure, but definitely gonna pound the rest of this thing out for sure.
That is how you know the pizza challenge is pizza challenging, when there is a little bit of disbelief coming from other people eating inside of the restaurant. This one, I did not come into it with the strategy of folding it over just because of the thinness and how I could see it kind of moving. I thought, hey, I'm going to fold this thing over, make a nice little pizza taco, make it a little bit easier to eat. I could have eaten this a little bit more quickly, but I was talking to people.
Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, let's go with some of the ranch. They also got a couple people tag teaming this thing later. Oh yeah, classic. Just like how they do it in Italy. Put a little ranch on the pizza. Oh, mamma mia.
Hidden Valley should just start putting in some pepperonis and a roll of cheese on the outside of that bottle. Nobody's using that thing for vegetables. It's only going on delicious pizza. I am also a big fan of marinara. I think a nice garlic sauce would have been great on this too.
Almost on the last slice. It's been great.
I didn't recognize you at first. I know your name, but...
We got the last slice. All right, so originally I thought this was gonna be about 20-minute time limit, so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna do a little extra stuff here though. But... All right, last one. The 8th is just as delicious as the 1st.
First winner over at Crazy Dough Pizza, let's go. I feel like I'm the first man on the moon taking this thing down. Awesome people over at Crazy Dough, excellent service, great pizza, a nice environment to enjoy some food. I definitely recommend going down to Crazy Dough, maybe trying the challenge, but also maybe getting some other delicious slices.
That was delicious. Man. All right, so that was a Crazy Dough Pizza Challenge. Very delicious. I am the first winner. And I did it less than 20 minutes, so got it in the original time that they had. Now they're saying it's 35 minutes, so. But yeah, great pizza challenge. That seriously was some awesome pizza. It was nice and thin, high quality ingredients on that double cheese and pepperoni pizza. So honestly, I would totally eat that even if it wasn't for a food challenge. We do have a t-shirt coming out, some money, and then we're getting out of here. So might get some dessert across the street or down the way. But yeah, guys, let's just wait up for the money and the shirt. All right, guys, here is the pan, and here is the cash prize from Crazy Dough Pizza. But awesome pizza here. Really loved every single bit of that gigantic 28-inch pizza. I mean, look at this thing. I'm 6'2" and 260 pounds. This thing's massive. So great flavor, great ingredients, and you know what? I'd probably eat that pizza any other day of the week. So if you're in Salem, around the area, for sure come out, check out, come on down, check out Crazy Dough, and maybe even try out the challenge.
All right, here you go.
Check it out. Super cool shirt. What does it say? Artisan Pizza, Crazy Dough. Buy the slice or pie. They ain't lying. So check it out. Good day over here at Crazy Dough. Come in, eat a delicious pizza, get a cash prize, and a sweet looking shirt. All right. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.